Yo, what up, Street Dogs? Eric Kim. All right, the Turbo Thought. This Turbo Thought is about complacency. So, what is our biggest enemy in terms of creativity, entrepreneurship, and life in general is complacency. So, imagine once upon a time, maybe when humans were frogs or tadpoles or fishes or some other thing, or, you know, early hominid, Homo sapiens. Imagine if evolution just stopped at that. It's like, okay, you know, we're pretty good. Like, we don't really need bigger brains and hands and to stand upright and so forth. And it just kind of stopped. And through this process of, random genetic mutations in our DNA, changes in the environment, different stresses, so forth, we have evolved to become the Homo sapiens we are today. And certainly, a million years from now, humans of the future are going to look very different from the humans of today. And so if you think about nature isn't complacent. Nature is not like, okay, we have discovered the perfect tree. Let's keep at that. Yet, what is most inimical to our growth in our lives? It's complacency. It's a complacency for just looking at the world as it is and be like, oh yeah, it's good enough. And, morality has taught us, oh, you should be grateful for things and stuff like that. But what happens when we have too much gratitude and gratefulness for things is we become complacent. So perhaps on the contrary, to become more dissatisfied and exacting out of yourself, reality, your creations, what you do is a better goal.